just two lazy frogs laying on a lazy log. You might think we look the same, but we're not the same. We're not the same at all. 'Cause I'm green and I'm blue. I don't like pizza, but I do. I don't like monkeys. I really like monkeys. I don't watch TV. Hey, let's watch some TV. We're both frogs, but we're not the same. We like different things and it's okay. Don't judge a book by its cover. We're different from each other. Different, but it's okay. 'Cause I'm a Virgo, I'm a Pisces. I hop wherever I go. I ride a 5-speed. I like eating bugs. I like fruit. I drink coffee from a mug. I play the flute.